Plastic pollution is a growing concern in Africa. With governments and consumers becoming more environmentally conscious, the demand for eco-friendly alternatives is on the rise. Today, we'll show you how to start a successful grocery paper bag business in Africa. In Africa, the shift from plastic to eco-friendly alternatives is rapidly gaining momentum. Grocery paper bags are not just a trend, they're a necessity. If you're thinking about starting a grocery paper bag business, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through every step of building a successful paper bag business in Africa. A grocery paper bag business involves the manufacturing and sale of paper bags primarily used by supermarkets, grocery stores, and other retailers. These bags come in various types, including brown craft paper bags, white paper bags, and custom-printed options. With increasing regulations against plastic and a growing consciousness among consumers, the demand for paper bags is soaring in Africa. From urban supermarkets to local markets, there's a vast and growing market waiting to be tapped. There are different types of paper bags based on their intended use. For grocery stores, bags typically range from simple brown craft bags to customized branded bags. The choice depends on the target market and customer preferences. Before diving into the business, it's essential to understand the market. Market research will help you identify your target customers, understand their needs, and evaluate the competition. Your target market might include supermarkets, local grocery stores, farmers markets, and even eco-conscious consumers who prefer using paper bags over plastic. Visiting these places and talking to potential customers can provide valuable insights. Identify other players in the market, analyze their strengths and weaknesses. This will help you differentiate your product and find a unique selling proposition, USP. Understand the regulations regarding packaging in your country. Many African countries are implementing bans on plastic bags, making paper bags a mandatory alternative. Ensure you're compliant with all relevant laws. A solid business plan is your roadmap to success. It should include your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plans. The location of your manufacturing unit is crucial. Look for a place that's easily accessible, close to your raw material suppliers, and has adequate infrastructure for your machinery and operations. Register your business with the local authorities. Obtain all necessary licenses and permits, including environmental compliance certificates if required. The core of your business will be the machinery you use. Investing in the right equipment will ensure efficiency and product quality. Let's explore the key machines you'll need. The paper bag making machine is the heart of your production line. These machines can be semi-automatic or fully automatic, depending on your budget and production needs. They cut, fold, and form the paper into bags. If you plan to offer custom-printed bags, a flexographic printing machine is essential. This machine prints your designs or logos onto the paper before it's folded into bags. For precision in cutting paper sheets to the required size, a die-cutting machine is used. This ensures uniformity and accuracy in the production process. If your bags include handles, this machine is critical. It attaches handles to the bags efficiently, which is essential for bags used in carrying heavier items. Maintaining quality is crucial. Invest in quality control equipment to test the durability, weight capacity, and consistency of your paper bags. The cost of these machines can vary depending on the brand, capacity, and automation level. Semi-automatic machines might be more affordable for small businesses, while fully automatic machines are suitable for larger operations. When sourcing machinery, consider factors like warranty, after-sales service, and spare parts availability. Reach out to multiple suppliers to compare prices and negotiate the best deal. Designing an efficient production line layout is key to smooth operations. Consider the flow of materials from raw paper to finished bags, ensuring minimal movement and maximum efficiency. Once you've procured your machinery, the next step is installation. It's advisable to hire professionals for this to ensure the machines are set up correctly and safely. Your staff needs to be well-trained to operate the machines efficiently. Provide hands-on training and ensure they understand the safety protocols. The primary raw material for your paper bags is craft paper. Establish reliable suppliers for consistent quality and supply. Other materials include printing inks and adhesives if you're adding handles. The production process involves feeding the paper into the machine, printing, if required, cutting, folding, and forming the bags. If handles are added, they're attached in the final step. Each batch of bags should undergo quality control checks. Inspect for consistency, strength, and any defects. Only bags that meet your standards should be packaged for sale. Starting a grocery paper bag business requires significant initial investment. Budget for machinery, raw materials, facility setup, and initial labor costs. Operational costs include raw materials, utilities, labor, maintenance, and transportation. Keep a close eye on these expenses to maintain profitability. Your pricing should cover all costs and include a profit margin. Consider factors like production costs, market demand, and competitor pricing. Conduct a profitability analysis to understand when your business will break even and start generating profits. This will help you plan for future investments, and scaling cash flow management is crucial for sustaining your business. Ensure you have enough liquidity to cover operational expenses and manage any unexpected costs. Securing the right funding is crucial. Each option has its pros and cons, so choose what best fits your situation. This will guide your business decisions and help attract investors. Proper accounting is essential to keep track of your finances. Use accounting software to manage your books, track expenses, and ensure you're meeting your financial goals. Understand the tax obligations for your business. This includes V8, income tax, and any other local taxes. Complying with tax laws is crucial to avoid penalties. Every business faces risks, from market fluctuations to operational issues. Identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them, such as insurance policies or diversifying your product range. Your brand is more than just a logo. It represents your business's identity. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial. Start with a professional website showcasing your products, prices, and company values. Consistent content helps build trust and brand recognition. Optimizing your website for search engines will help potential customers find you online. Leverage social media ads to target specific demographics. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to target users based on location, interests, and behaviors, ensuring your ads reach the right audience. Build an email list of your customers and prospects. Send out regular newsletters featuring new products, promotions, and company news. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to stay connected with your customers. Don't overlook traditional marketing methods, especially if your target market includes local businesses. Flyers, brochures, and business cards can be effective, especially when distributed at trade shows or local markets. Building relationships with other businesses can open new opportunities. Attend trade shows, join local business associations, and collaborate with complementary businesses to expand your reach. As you grow, sustainability should remain a priority. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey to starting a grocery paper bag business in Africa. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Together, we can make a positive impact on our environment and our communities. Best of luck with your business.